Good morning. Today we are going to start our new lesson, that is Kingdoms, Kings and Early Republic. So let us start the chapter. First in that Raja. Raja is initially chosen by the Jana. Jana means people. It is around 3100 years ago when we are founding the change in choosing of Raja ways. Some men we consider as Raja by making big sacrifices. That one such sacrifice was Ashwamedh Yag or hot sacrifices. Next, we will talk about Ashwamedh. After the Ashwamedh Yag, the Raja who was surrounding were then invited to sacrifice, and this ritual was performed by a highly trained priest. Even they used to give a gift after this ritual. This act was considered very powerful for the very powerful, and even the Raja was performing this ritual it considered as very respected in the society, and even they are given by the gifts by the different rajas who has surrendered them. Next, Ashwamedh Yagin in description we will talk. Ashwamedh Yagin, that Raja was the central figure, and it is a specially seat which was made up of skin of tiger, or in he charioteer was very important because in the battlefield he was the main person whom which Raja is used to be. Even this Ashwamedh Yag specially performed by the relatives or very relatives which are wife and son who were performing very minor rituals. Other rajas were simply used to come as an audience to sit and watch the performance of the sacrifices. Now priest performed the rituals. Even the priest who was performing the ritual, they used to sprinkle the water on the Raja, and the ordinary people, Vaishya, also brought the gift with them. Even they regard, even the people who are from the Shudra category, they are not allowed to take participate in this ritual. Next, we will talk about Vedic books. In Vedic book, there are many books was composed in North India, especially in the area where Ganga and Yamuna is flowing. This book is often called Vedic. Why it is called Vedic? Because where the composed of Rigveds, the even these books like Samved, Yajurved, Earthved, as well as other books also. Even the priest used to describe in these books about their rituals, how it was been performed. Even they also talks about the rules and regulations of our society. Next, we will talk about society and ones. In that, priest, craft warriors, labor, farmers, herder, trader, fishing flocks, and forest people. Even some they used to show their rich and poor. Even the priest is divided into the priest has divided the people into four groups as we call varna, as we had already learned in our previous chapter, that Brahman, Kshatriya, Shudra, Vaishya. These are the four categories, and they are divided according to their functions. So how its work is, Brahmins used to expect to teach the Vedas and perform the sacrifices and receive the gifts. Kshatriya is a ruler, and even it is expected to fight battles and to protect peoples. Vaishya, it is accepted to be the farmers, herder, trader. And Kshatriya and Vaishya also could perform the sacrifices, but Shudras has to serve these three groups and not allowed to perform any rituals. And even in this, women are being part of the group, but they are also not allowed to part any rituals or even not to study the Vedas. Then we will talk about ones in detail. These groups are decided their work on the basis of their birth, and the child who was born in Kshatriya automatically is called Kshatriya. Some people were people were classified as untouchables, like craft persons, hunter, gatherer, who help performing the ceremonial and burial rituals, and um, even it considered by the priest that whomever is going to contact with this groups, our group was considered as polluting group. Next, we will talk about Janpad. As we learned in previous chapter, Raja is considered as the leader of Jana means people. Now, time change in Raja, ruler of the Janapada. Janapada literally means the land where the Jana means set a foot and settle down. Next, side of execution and finding. In that, number of settlements and found in executed in the Janapada, and there are Purnavilla in Delhi, Hastinapur in Meerut. People who are living in the herds, cattle, and other animals, and they also grew varieties of crops. We are finding these evidences. Even there are made on earthen pots which are grey and red color. Next, there are we found another thing, that is a special type of pottery which is known as painted gravery, and the grave wrought are made in such a designs. You found simple lines or geometric pattern on that. Even we will found very surface is very smooth and fine touch we have. Even this is used for special occasions, especially for serving the foods. This is the picture. Now we will talk about Mahajanpada. It is around 2500 years ago when it became very important than others. It is called Mahajanpada. Mostly it is fortified capital city, where city fortified here. There we have found huge wood, bricks, stones, walls were built around the cities. Why it is? Because they are probably built because the people are afraid of the attacks from the other kings and want protection. Then even it is like that some ruler wants to show their richness, powerfulness, and they used to build this large and tall impressive wall around their cities. Even they want to control over the city of their under, they used to do these things. Next we will talk about that even the Raja used to maintain the army, and the army used to pay the regular salary throughout the year. Even they use for payment a punch mark coin. This is a punch mark coin which they are is used, and it is been given by the Raja. And now we will have one question, that how they use how where they resources are affordable through the taxes only they can afford these resources. So next we will talk about taxes. Taxes in the ruler Mahajan Pada need resources of for building fort and to maintain the army. Means they want to maintain their fort and army, that is why they need taxes. Even they used to collect the taxes uh, by the officers. There is difference between Janpad and Mahajanpad. Janpad means it depends on occasional gifts which was brought by the people, and Mahajanpada means it started collecting the regular taxes. List of items where paid taxes are like farmers. Most people were farmers, and so the tax on the crops was mostly important. Tax even is known as bhag or share. 1/6 of the part was used to produce fixed, and that was been produced by the crops. Tax even formed by all labors who lavish on the craftsmen's, animals, and animal producers like header. They used to pay the taxes. Even they used the person who are doing trading, they used to pay the tax through the goods which they used to brought and sold. Hunter and gatherer also used to pay the taxes to the Raja. Now change in agriculture, there are growing use of iron plowshares, and this better than the wood plowshare turns over heavy clary shapes. Means as earlier there is very difficult to do the agriculture in the harder land, but after the iron plowshare is used, that made agriculture very useful. Even more grains can be produced now, and people beginning starts planting paddy. Paddy means it is like a rice only. It means scatty seeds on the surroundings which plants with sprouted and sapling were grown and planted in the field. Then they lead to increase the production and many plants more thrived. Generally, the das and dasis had and land laborers, agricultural laborers, karmakar had to do this work. Now Mahajanpada, it is most important part in 2000 years ago. It is an important river like Ganga, Son and flowed throughout the it helps for the transportation, water supply and land fertile. Next we will talk about forest. For in forest we have an elephant which lives in the forest. It could be captured and trained for the army. Even they used to wood for the building houses, craft and chariot. Iron mines are also are founding in this Magad. They use this iron mines and for their strong weapons. Ruler of the Magadha in Bimdisar, Agastya are the two important rulers of this period. Even Nanda, also the important ruler in this period. Rajagiri is a Bihar's first capital after several years. It is shifted from the Rajagiri to Patliputra. Vaji means the while Magad become powerful kingdom, there are different forms of government has been found in different areas. There's different forms of government known as Gana and Sangha. Gana means having many members and Sangha means only organization. And during this Vaji period, there is a Vaishali, is a capital which is presently in Bihar. Now Gana and Sangha. In this case, there were no one but many rulers, each one known as Raja. They perform rituals together. Even they used to meet assembly and decide what to do and how to and through the discussion and through the debate they used to discuss. Then even women's Das Karmakar also could not participate in this assembly. Even Buddha and Mahavir, they used to belong by Gana and Sangha. And Dirganaya is a very famous book which was written by the Buddhist based book which contain about the speech of Buddha. It is written around 2300 years ago. Even Raja was considered as very powerful kingdom and tried to conquer Sangha, but nevertheless last long time till 1500 years ago. Last Jana Sangha was conquered by the Gupta ruler. So thank you students. Hope chapter is understood to you.